Hey guys, this is the Tapo C216, a 2K resolution camera. Let's just unbox and see what's inside. There we go. So basically here's the camera. Just remove from here and remove from the plastic. There we go, a small camera. Let me just also remove this plastic here. And you see there is an LED and also the lens, a light here, and a microphone. And here in the back, probably a speaker and the connection to the cable so you can charge the camera. It's a small one, you can move up and down, also left and right. So it's a pan and tilt movement. Here's the brand, Tapo. It looks pretty nice. And here it comes with the cable. USB-A to USB-C, a long cable. And paperwork. So here's some paperwork. Quick start guide. And here a template for the installation. So it comes also with the accessories for installation here, which are I have here is the screws and anchors. So you can install your camera. Here I'm just open this. There we go. It's a brick, so you can power your device. Okay, power brick or a charger to power the device. So you don't need your phones, right? And here is the mount, so you can mount on the ceiling or to a wall, pole, whatever you want to mount this. So pretty good. It looks nice. So it's a small camera. See, it looks super nice. Let's just compare here to my hand. It's a small camera, and I like it that moves that way. Okay, so I'm gonna test this camera, turn it on, and see how it works. But basically, this is just an unbox. This is the new Tapo C216. And at first, I like it, so I recommend you can get yours on Amazon.